battle of...
Central Weekend, Kojak and the James Whale Radio Show are all back on Central later tonight. Now, Central Post. Viewers' complaints and a look behind the scenes. That's Central Post.
Again and welcome to Central Post. In tonight's programme, now it's 3 Central Newsers. Which one are you watching and why? Children's television, is it comical or crude? And where have all the weathermen gone? Yes, almost all the moans this week are about Central Television. And there have gone quite a few changes in the last fortnight. A third separate programme has been introduced for viewers in the south of our transmission area. Central South went on air from news studios in Abingdon last week, joining the Central News, which is broadcast from Birmingham, that's Central News West, and Central East, made here in Nottingham. Unfortunately, some people receiving the southern service aren't too happy, to put it mildly. Let's start with Mr. A.W. Taylor from Stourbridge. Weather. It appears a lot of viewers don't like Central News' new look weather. Take it away, Miss Geen of Leicester. Central News' new look weather, it says here, places greater emphasis on satellite technology and gives a wider range of information, which is why we now know the wind chill factor every evening. We also know what the weather is like abroad, both on the Med and on the ski slopes throughout the north of Europe. Central News gives these details on a Thursday night, as audience research shows it's help to people planning a weekend away. However, it appears from your letters that some people find some of the information a bit too much to take in, so the powers that be will make the computer graphics easier to read and the information will be simpler to follow. You see, your letters to Central Post are listened to. Don't forget, I want your comments on every and any ITV and Channel 4 programmes, and the address is, as usual, Central Post, Free Post, Central TV, Nottingham, NG7 1BR. Now to a letter from a viewer with a most dreadful problem. Yes, the unwanted phone call at just the wrong minute. You just have to feel sorry for Mrs.
Fridays at 7:30 on Central. Guess what?
Hello, Betty. Surprise, surprise. How lovely. Oh.
Surprise, surprise, Maud.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Oh, yeah.
Share in some of life's nicer surprises. Fridays at 7:30 on Central. Surprise, surprise.
I think I've been alone.
You're invited to a bit of a do. The annual dentist's dinner dance. Tonight at 9 on Central.
Man can only resist so much temptation.
Watch them perform in public.
She does that a lot.
What about Doreen from the Frimley Building Society?
Our marriage is a totality of shared experience.
Thought that was carrying everyone's friendly at the Frimley too far.
Oh, exactly, this is it. I was seduced by the power of advertising.
You were seduced by Doreen Timperley.